Hi, my name is Grace and I'm going to talk about the schoolwork. I have to say that I agree with the quotation that relaxing and doing hobbies is just as important as doing schoolwork. And I have to say that nowadays we are living in a very busy society where parents work all day and the consequences the children stay home alone all day too. So if a school send the children some homework to do at home, this keep the children making these activities and they can stay away from the streets, and it's a very important thing because the parents don't have the control of the children while they are working. But school should measure the homework that they send to the children, because if they send a lot of homework, the children will become upset, or maybe they can get stressed. And besides schoolwork, children should have some extra activities. For example, if they join a football team or soccer or basketball team, they can get relaxed from school, because school keep the children very busy in the day, and in the afternoon they can get very easily tired. So but we have to measure the time between hobbies and schoolwork. It doesn't have to be a lot of homework that the school sends to children, and the hobbies, it doesn't have to take a lot of time. We have to manage the time with the school and with the friends.